What's going on? How are ya? It's May 19th, 2018. I'm just checking up on ya, party chat. Woo! New beer release. Oh, shit. New Barn Owl. So it's a cranberry and raspberry 18-month barrel age, which is a strange amount of time. 6.7%er. Only through almost 3,100 bottles. So it's number 13. They've done, I believe, a black currant and cranberry, if I remember correctly. Could be wrong. They've done a raspberry and, what was that mixed with? Something nice and bright. Raspberry and, jeez, I can't remember what it was. Anyways, enough of that chitter chatter. Let's get down to business. I hope this, I guess the cranberry is gonna be pretty bitter, and it's not gonna be as puckering of a beer as the last raspberry, which I really enjoyed. But they took forever to get this one released. So the head is definitely got a nice kind of pink hue to it. Whitish pink, nice head, going down fairly quick. It's got that kind of classic barn owl, acidic yet woody barrel-aged style beer, so looks pretty cool. Let's see if get some better light in there, maybe. It's kind of dark, like a ruby red. But yeah, I can tell I think I'm gonna be able to taste that barrel. 18 months is quite a while. Anyway, cheers. It's like the best parts of a raspberry and the best parts of a cranberry combined. It's so fucking sour. It's it kind of does like what the last one did. Just coats your cheeks. Really makes you pucker up. That's fantastic. Definitely gonna be getting another bottle tomorrow. That's fun to share with people. The cranberry is a beautiful backbone. It complements the raspberry really nicely. It's a mature, bright, sour, beautiful beer. The barrel is not as upfront as I thought it'd be, but still really gives it, I guess, all that funkiness. Probably give this beer like a 8.7, 8.6, probably an 8.7 out of 10. It's pretty fucking good. It's really nice. I like that quite a bit.